Viewers, ajila first update to eneka ase beshi important update ase NPF aro NDPP khan defend use of English assert linguistic plurality. To itu loporte tahan ene khota korato two of the Nagaland major political party, the Naga People Front and the Nationalist Democratic Progressive Party NDPP has issued statement defending the use and relevance of English amid ongoing national discussion about the status on the role of English language in the Indian history and society. In a statement issued on Friday, the NPF responded to Union Home Minister Amit Shah, June 19, remarked that those who speak English in India will soon feel ashamed. Such a statement coming from a figure of high national responsibility is both unfortunate and disappointing. The party stated, expressing concern over it, described as a dismissive attitude toward a language that has served as a unifying tool in the linguistic diverse country. तो इंग्लिश लॉपर एनेका तान बीजेपी खान परा इतु खोता करा तम देतु तान एनेका एनपीएफ खान परा डिफेंड करना को आसे कि इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज भी एक इंपोर्टेंट लैंग्वेज आसे और इतु ऑनगोइंग नेशनल डिस्कशन जाय था सोसाइटी ला नेशनल डिस्कशन जाय था लॉपटे इंग्लिश भी एक इंपोर्टेंट लैंग्वेज आसे किले माने इंग्लिश इज द वे टू कम्युनिकेट करना एक वे आसे इतु लैंग्वेज आसे और मानु बेसी भाग इतु लैंग्वेज परा खोता करे इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज आसे इतु तो इतु মই आपनके फर्स्ट अपडेट জানাই দিব পাৰি আছে। Viewers, ajila second update to eneka ase Nagaland Pharmacy Association appeal for relief flag impact on public health. To Nagaland la all Nagaland Pharmacy Association khan pora ANPA has called for urgent intervention and responsible and reasonable extension of the time in the wake of ongoing pharmacy closure ordered by the state government, citing non-compliance with regulation mandating the presence of registered pharmacists at every outlet. Addressing a press conference in Kohima on Friday, ANPA leader warned that the crackdown could severely disrupt healthcare delivery, particularly in rural and undeserved area. The ANPA leader, President Zafiblo Uyashu, General Secretary Limayangar Jamir, and other district level leaders included Pulitha Tur Kohima and Hazin Mopen parent voiced concern over the cascading impact of the government crackdown. So itu ongoing ekta problem jai thaka tole itu all Nagaland pharmacy association khan pora eneka press release te eneka khota korise tahan itu pharmacy lopote khota korise aru tahan eneka government la thobote we eneka khota korna itu beshi important update apnanke janai dibo parase beshi viral ase itu update to le